Willy Windows here today, because today I am switching to Windows. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. No thanks. I'll just need to deal with this thing, because it's like, if I were to go up here, it's like really hard to click. Like, see, it barely even clicks. Right, why is the weather like, why did I just need to hover over it? And why is it not going away? Alright, here are the specs. Ew, that UI looks horrible. And why can't... This UI looks a lot better, and I can also minimize it while it's doing the benchmark while in here. Doesn't even let me. Yeah, this is not gonna last a long time.